Alright, for those of you who enjoy using Firefox, this is from the blog from Mozilla. Firefox Nightly News. So, great news for people using Firefox nightly on Debian-based systems such as Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and more. Installing, updating, and testing the latest Firefox Nightly just got easier. So the advantage of this, according to Mozilla, is better performance thanks to advanced compiler-based optimizations, hardened binaries with all security flags enabled, the latest updates, and you don't have to create your own .desktop file. All right, to set up the app repository, let's see. All right, so you have a bunch of terminal commands here. The best thing was this, with these here, just copy and paste and follow the instructions. Should be fairly easy. And according to Mozilla, it is easy. And that's it. You now have the latest Firefox Nightly build.deb package on your Debian-based Linux distribution. We have some language packs to install if you need that. So this was posted October 31st, well, just a few days ago of this year, of course. So, yeah, if you like Firefox, check out the latest .deb packages. That's it. Take care.